Another dish I love making during Chinese New Year is steamed drunken prawns. It's basically prawns cooked in Chinese rice wine. This version I'm sharing is very simple, no herbs, very few ingredients, so you really get to enjoy the natural sweetness of the prawns. I'm gonna start with the spring onions. First trim off the ends, then cut into about 3-inch pieces. Okay, then cut into thin strips. I want the spring onions to curl up, so I'm gonna soak it in cold water. And now let's prepare the prawns. Trim off the eyes, the legs, this pointy tip. There is a black pouch just beneath the tip. You need to remove this, then make a slit along the body. Okay, so this green part here is edible. Don't throw that. You want to remove this black strand, this vein here. Okay, the prawns are done. This is the only part that takes up quite a bit of time. Then all you need to do is assemble the dish and steam. Okay, here I have some goji berries. Rinse with water. Then transfer to a heat-proof plate. Now place the prawns on top. Now I'm going to add the rice wine. You can also use Garnishing wine, but I prefer rice wine for this recipe. This is rice wine. You can see that the color is colorless. Pour the rice wine over the prawns, then season with some salt. Some ginger slices. Bring the water in the wok to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, steam on high heat for about 3 minutes or until the shell turns pinkish orange. Okay, it's done. Wow, look at that. Garnish with some fresh ginger and some spring onions. And just before serving, I'm just going to rearrange the goji berries on top of the prawns. Okay, it's done. Sauce. Oops. You really get to taste the natural sweetness of the prawns. I hope you try this recipe. See you next time.